Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. This video is a look at the financial calendar features in MYOB Advanced. As of the 29.1 release of Advanced, you can use different financial calendars for different companies in the same Advanced installation. With this feature, you no longer need to have multiple calendars open, keeping your Advanced screen clutter-free. If your company has operations in Australia and New Zealand, for example, you can now manage both financial years within one master calendar. Financial teams can be across details of each company using one calendar rather than having multiple calendars open, giving real-time insight and simplifying your company's financial reporting. Having set up your master financial calendar on the master financial calendar screen, you can then use the company financial calendar screen to generate a separate calendar for each company. For each company, you can specify the first financial year for the company and select the period from the master calendar that corresponds to the start of the financial year for that company. Once you've generated a calendar for a company, you can see all of the periods in each financial year for the company and the periods in the master calendar that they correspond to. When companies with different calendars are involved in the same transaction, the system determines the appropriate master period based on the period in the summary area of the document and uses the periods that match the master period to post entries to the destination branches. When reporting on companies, you can configure reports to use the financial calendar of the company you're reporting on, or to use the master calendar. On the Report Definitions screen, tick the Use Master Calendar option if you want reports with this definition to use the master calendar, or leave it clear to use the financial calendar for the company being reported on. You can tick the Request option to give the user a choice of which calendar to use. These features make it very easy to report on all companies across a single calendar month. Just select the appropriate month using the master calendar, and data from the corresponding period for each company will be pulled in automatically. And that concludes our look at financial calendars in MYOB Advanced. Thanks for watching.